another video. As you can tell, I am in the truck today. Not for long though. I'm going to pick up the Porsche right now, take it to the shop. I need an oil change. I need them to check the brakes. As you can see, a couple videos ago, I got the brakes replaced, but they're squeaking, so I'm going to see what's up with that. I don't know, I'm thinking about upgrading to ceramics. So yeah, man, let's go pick this Porsche up. I kind of miss driving this truck. I was thinking, I want to sell it, but it's like, I want to buy another one if I do sell it. So it's like, I don't know, man. It's like the perfect daily, honestly. Enough of me rambling. Alright, y'all, just like that, we're in the Porsche, heading to the shop. So I'm gonna go ahead and head there. Damn, it's like two different vibes in both cars. I swear to God, I feel like I'm scraping the ground right now, and this car isn't even that low, just because how high the truck is. But yeah, man, heading to the shop now. About to put this air on because the air be blowing so loud, it fucks up my camera audio. So yeah, I'll see y'all there. Look like we might have came right on time for a dyno run. It's a dyno lot right there. Got a couple cars lined. You think he offer? They got a couple cars lined up for the dyno. It was like an M4. Parked next to E92 M3, E63. Let's go see. Let's go get this done. And look like they got a Hellcat on a dyno right now. Dope little setup they got here. Speaking of brake pads, I have them checking out my brake pads. I want to go with the ceramic. Shit, I want to lower it too. I might see if they have some available for the Porsche before we leave. Dope little sitting area. Make me some popcorn. So yeah, we're gonna sit here until the car is ready. All right, y'all. I'm finally at the shop. That whole process took an hour. This X3M is so fucking hard. Hard as shit, actually. Hellcat that was on the dyno. That Hellcat was on the dyno in the beginning of the video. I didn't have a chance to catch anything on the dyno. You like this one? There's a couple things I would change.
Like what?
Huh?
Like what?
I would change the front bumper.
To?
An M5 bumper. It's not, or like put a lip on at least. It's not low enough.
Yeah.
And then over here, carbon fiber. The wheels. I can record, baby. I didn't know what you was doing. Let me see.
I'm having fun.
Huh?
I'm having fun.
You think you Alan?
Yeah. I'm more admin with this shit though.
So the interior is really nice. Got the M badges, peanut butter seats, sunroof. This would be the only thing that'll do. Like, if it's not an M, you know what I mean? If it's not an M, this would be the only thing that do. Hey. Let's see how it feels.
Well, they got your car parts already.
It come with car parts? Yeah. It look like they replaced like a charge pipe or something. They got wood grain. I would change this to carbon too. All this right here. Change all that to carbon. Oh, this is broke too. That's another thing. What the hell? You push it, but it's a little wobbly. M Sport steering wheel. The gauge is nice, but I like the M5 gauges better, obviously. This one should have the underglow on there at nighttime. We don't have the keys, so we gotta see. But so far it's nice. It's not like I don't know, it might have sports package accessories because it got the heated steering wheel. It might be decked out on the inside, but the outside doesn't have like, the outside of the car doesn't have like a M Sport kit on it. So, but that's cool though, because I plan on changing all this to M5 parts and whatnot. Put a carbon mirror on there. Some nice wheels. Maybe like some Foresters. Look good sitting in there. At the top? Yeah.
It's black. It's like look clean looking.
What do you like about it?
The interior is cool.
The interior is good. Interior is better than the exterior?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, that's how I feel about the 550s. Alright, y'all, just came back later in the day from looking at the 550i. I was trying to decide if I would rather a 550i or the M5 competition. Obviously, I want the M5 competition, just seeing if a 550 would work. I don't know if it's gonna work for me, but yeah. So moving forward with that, let me show y'all something real quick. You know, I do own a 335i M54 engine, M-Tech bumpers, rear and front. If you watched the previous video, I believe it was the video before last, I recently just replaced the battery because this car has been sitting for 3 to 4 months. And we're gonna build this car back up to perfection, man. Like I said, it's been sitting here for 5 months. I'm gonna build it back up on YouTube with you guys because I get a lot of questions about it. So yeah, we're gonna build this car back up and then probably trade it in for the M5. So comment down below what y'all want to see. I already got some parts coming in. I'm gonna replace this. I originally wrapped it. Looks bad now, but yeah, look at this, man. Look how dirty it is. Look at this shit. It's literally been sitting here for like 5 months. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that done, get that fixed. Like I said, I got the stuff for it coming in already. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.